Hi, this is Gautam Gaudison. Welcome to our Best Buy series. Making money in share market is so easy. Let me see how. See, I will show you a small workout now. Okay. Wait a minute. See, FMCG has corrected 31%. Okay. From this level, if you take FMCG index rising from this level to this high, see, you will be stunned by this info. Market when FMCG falls 67, this is the high C. 67 to 46, it have fall for 31%. But if it from this level, if it goes to the same high, it will be making 46%. It will be making 46%. When it falls, it count for 30. If it goes up, it will count for 46, 1.5 times. This is the power of investing lower and making it. In the starting of the video, I have mentioned that making money in share market is very easy. I'm not talking about F&O market. I'm not suggesting people to go F&O. I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor or research analyst. I'm doing this for my education purpose. This is how I study the chart and I invest for long term. I make my portfolio. As a friend, I'm showing these are the underperforming indexes in comparison with Nifty, so that you can also watch this. I have studied this and I make a watch list. This is day 1 watch list, this is day 2 watch list, and this is day 3 watch list. If I write along with the video getting so lag. So after the video, I will be taking in the notes. For future reference, it will be very easy for us. Like how we referred today. Making money in share market is very easy. How I say? See, let's take bank FD is giving around 7% return. Big banks are giving 7%. See, a bank FDs are giving 7%. Okay, let's calculate it here. Calculate. See, bank FDs are giving 7% return. Okay, per annum in a year. If you invest 1 lakh rupees, just this is not a advice to invest or anything. This is just educational and calculation purpose. See, if you buy in this level 23,000, okay, market if it reaches the all-time high, this which is all-time high is 26,400. 400 is the all-time high. Okay. All-time high. Let's remove this. Okay. See, this is this in 2007 market has corrected from this level from 6,700 to 2,500. Okay, this is November 2008, January 2009. Okay, let's make it as 2009. Okay, see, when it again reached, let's take 2011 Jan. This is 1 and 11. Okay. In 2 years, Nifty had touched this. You can take a numerous example. See, in 2015, it has corrected and again touched. In Corona also, it has corrected and again touched. Always Nifty will take the all-time high in any scenario. Let's take in this scenario 2 years. Okay. See, market from this level has corrected for 60%. Okay. And in 2 years, it have reached the same high, which is 170%. Bank will give you 7% FD. If you have invested this, if you have bought this or anywhere, even take in between, if you have bought in 4,500, you would have made, nobody can catch the exact bottom. Okay, let's take this as it's not working. See, if you buy in the in between, you will be making 56% in 2 years. You have to be patient. In 2 years, if you are making a 56% return, that is a year. If you are making a 56% return, that is in a year you are making around 28% per year. But FD is only 7%. Let's come to this today's scenario. Okay. See. This is today. Okay. Market have fallen 14%. Let's remove this. Say if you are buying this at the current level, if you are buying and market goes back, which is around 16%. 16%. If you take in 2 years, if today is 26, if you make 28 in 2 years, if Nifty goes back to this level, you will be making 8% per annum per year, even which is higher to FD. FD rates, whenever the market stabilizes and no war happening, FD rate goes on reducing from 7 to 6 to 5. Even today's rate is 7%, you will be making 8%. You may ask, I can understand your query. I will answer for this too. You will be asking, what if market keeps falling from this level to this level? Will be making negative return? Yes, you will be negative return. What I say is, this is 14%. Okay, in next 14% you will be buying another one. Let's correct this. Let's clear and wait. I will explain you again. See, market has corrected 14%. You are buying you are buying the next lot another 14%. Then you are buying next lot and another 14%. Take you are buying for another 14% 3 times. Here you bought first. This is the second. This is the third. This is the fourth. At any point of time, our market should go up. Okay, this may take years, this may take 5, 6 years or 10 years. At any point of time, our market must be moving at this level, or from this to this level, or from this to this level. At any point of time, market will be going higher, because our market is a growth market. At any point of time, you buy these. If market goes again, even in 3032, take even in 3032, okay, if market reaches this high, you will be making profit. Making money in share market is easy only when you are stayed for long term. F&O, people are doing trading in F&O also, but that's a quick money. Not everybody can do it. People are making money, but making money is easy in this long term things. Okay, I think this video has gone very long. Okay, let's continue with our with our series in next video. Please follow me. If you want about these detailed data, please refer my first, second and third video. These are the notes of those three videos. This is the fourth video. Please refer to that previous videos and stay with me with best buy series. And thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye. Sorry, subscribe me, like our video, subscribe, share with your friends so that I will keep doing this. Thank you.